The IO was a lady, DYSP. Very serious allegations where she has been stripped.
Who is stripped?
Stripped. Totally
been
stripped without the bra also.
But what is the allegation of stripping her? Why?
No, it was only frisking. There is no question of stripping at all.
The enrollment, I'm not disputing. I know that she enrolled in 2021. The very fact that she herself filed an affidavit before this court saying that I'm an entrepreneur in 2023.
It is unfortunate prosecution is taking this stand. We are here for the welfare of the advocate community.
So that's all right. Not on that.
Life being lost, the state treats it so casually. She should have been living and she should have faced the trial. A life being lost today has no worth for the state. What has happened?
Kind of emotional pleas, my lords, should not come in the way of consideration.
MLA.
Namralli, her sister, she Harnita Enterprises is A9, in which Jiva and Sangeeta are 60-40 partners. The Harnita Enterprises has received 3 crores 16 lakhs. My lord, this is not explained. So we requested her to come back with all the details. She goes back from CID's office when we drop her at the gate along with the pass and all. Next day morning, this incident happens. My lord, your lordship may kindly see the complaint.
But what is the allegation of stripping her? Why?
My lord, it was only frisking. There is no question of stripping at all. My lords, I am not trying to shy away from any inquiries being conducted against me. That's a part. Now, please see the complaint. My lords, kindly take page.
Our petition kodi.
Respond number 2 in my
Ondidiya?
case. Page 14. Now, since my lords, death note is before your lordships, my lords, I am not privy to that. But still, my lords, please see the
No,
complaint.
I read it from the death note itself.
No, that's right. Why I am trying to point out, I'll explain. This is registered around 10:45 a.m. on 22nd of November 2024.
Yes.
The allegation of 25 lakhs that petitioner allegedly made to the victim or a deceased, your lordship, if it is part of death note, then my lords, I may not have further submissions. My lord, there is nothing in this. This is only a tailor-made allegation. Now trying to, my lords, I have all sympathies for her. But the point is, I cannot be hounded like this by emotional pleas and incorrect facts. Please see the death note. If there is any whisper about this 25 lakhs being part of it, if she can write 13 pages, why not this allegation against me?
1 minute. You have seen the death note?
No, my lords, I am very sure about it. It is an orchestrated complaint.
It's not there, my lord. I can say I've seen that it's not there.
My lord, I have done my job. My lord, there is no physical ill treatment, even according to the death note. And now, learned senior would introduce some lady who says in Kiviyalli ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
No, that's wait.
No, but this
That
kind
is a
of
fact.
emotional, my
That
lord,
is a
sir.
fact. It's not
No,
emotional.
sir, 1 second.
This is a fact.
1 second, sir. Let me complete.
In fact, I must say, my lord, this is the second death in this case.
Second death.
Second death. First was a accident death in Hubli,
My lords,
2022.
I don't know if it is going in a Vapium scams case.
I have the papers of that death as well.
My lord, please see the complaint now. The allegation of demand is made to the victim. Now my learned friend is trying to say that it was whispered in somebody's ears. Please see the complaint.
That's demand we'll see. Yes.
No, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the legal issue is in the face of section 170 of the Karnataka Police Act. My lord, could there be a registration of a FIR against me? And if they have to invoke 7 against me, my lords, then 17A permission was required.
7 17 ಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತು.
For 306, my lords, it covers.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 17 ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, so far as 170 of the KP.
No. That is only at the time of taking of cognizance.
No. Even for 170. my
Oh,
lords.
no, sir.
Please see 170, my lords.
ಅವಾಗೇನ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಬೇಕು?
Even institution also they say.
Until
This is
submission of
something,
report.
my lords, which is unheard of, this kind of complaint against me.
Complaint.
No, my lord, therefore,
Then
my lord,
there is a
submission
pattern.
is, what
There is
was the need to orchestra 25 lakhs?
Whatever it is, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 lakhs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು
But
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ,
there is a 13-page death note written at 1:28 a.m. on
lords,
22/11/2020.
I'm not going to comment, my lords, it has been recovered or whatever it is from the scene of offense. Let them do it. But the point is, what was the intention of introducing this 25 lakhs money? Are they wanted to hound me by saying that, no, you are a corrupt person, therefore, my lord, please see the complaint for a moment. I'm sorry, I'm repeating this. Please see page 14.
7 invoke ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಡ.
7 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
The kind of narration what my learned friend is now contending is entirely different from
In the
content.
complaint, there is an allegation of 25 lakhs.
Correct, but
Not
to
in
whom?
death note.
To whom is the question. Now he says that somebody was whispered in the ear while going to the jeep. Please see the complaint.
Complaint I've seen, yes, complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ there's an
ನನ್ನ
allegation of
ತಂಗಿ
25
ಹೇಗೆ
lakhs.
ಬದುಕುತ್ತೀಯಾ ಎಂದು ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡದಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಅವಳು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡು ಎಂದು ಸಾಯ. Who told her? Did the victim tell it to the complainant? Madam, 1 second.
What is this?
It is nobody's case that victim told the sister, therefore she has informed this
Very-
kind of.
Very scene of crime, my lord. Very sad to see. Life being lost, the state treats it so casually, which she should have been living and she should have faced the trial. A life being lost today has no worth for the state. What has happened,
Kind
Lord?
of emotional pleas, my lords, should not
No,
come
it's
in
not
the way of
emotional.
consideration.
And they are
Learned
seeking-
senior. My lords, I
seeking
understand.
Investigation at independent agency,
That's it,
so
Lord.
he's saying that.
That's
it.
even we
And
also,
only
my
this
lords,
crime.
never expected
We are not,
this
Lord.
girl to go away.
There may be larger repercussions on the Bowie scam, Lord. Let the Bowie scam go, your lordships, it will leave it to your lordship's discretion, Lord. Let the Bowie scam in order to speed up that scam, since 1.5 years.
They are
they've been
doing
investigating. Yes, well, very well. We do not want to, because in 2021, incidents happened, 2023, the complaint is filed. We do not want to go into why that complaint was filed belatedly after another government, but that's all for them. We don't want, association does not want to enter into these areas. We want this case to be investigated by CBI. And otherwise, we will get no justice. Ultimately, they will treat me as a accused
Just pass on the money flow, just.
instead of
Really,
treating her as an accused.
the money which is now, what is the amount of money which has gone to accused number 8?
So that, he had earlier indicated 7 crore 16 lakhs to
Yes,
Anika
for A,
Enterprises,
and in which
3
the,
crore 79 lakhs to
Harnita.
Harnita Creations.
and in which complainant is 40% stakeholder and 60%.
Loan from Bowie Corporation.
Huh?
Not even 1 single rupee has come from Bowie Corporation.
Where did it come from
All
then?
business transactions, let them produce that I have received 1 single rupee from the Bowie Corporation.
These are all
1
the,
single rupee from Bowie Corporation. I'll withdraw the petition immediately. There, those are all business transactions which I have done. There are all banking transactions. Nothing has been hidden. GST is paid. GST officers have inspected the spot, then given the registrations. All are banking transactions. There was nothing apart from banking transactions which have been done. I have, in last occasion, also I had submitted some.
that's what she was requested to come back with the documents on the next day
Documents
to explain this.
submitted for this honorable court. It's
Probably, my lords,
SPP. All the documents, my lords.
you wanted her to come back with the explanation
So-
for this.
Do you have any objection about the association's application?
No, I have a serious objection, my lord, because according to them, they say that she's doing a business. When she is doing a business, how do I understand how Advocates Association comes in picture?
No, that's all right. Have you
Is
placed on,
the prosecutor has forgotten the offense.
no.
No,
have
then
you-
every offense
Have you
association
placed on
comes.
record the?
The wakalats, we'll
Wakalat,
place the
right?
under enrollment. Under enrollment.
Enrollment, wakalat and
Wakalat.
other things.
Please,
The enrollment, I'm not disputing. I know that she enrolled in 2021. The very fact that she herself filed an affidavit before this court saying that I'm
but
an entrepreneur in 2023.
It is unfortunate prosecution is taking this stand. We are here for the welfare of the advocate community.
No, that's all right. I'm not on that. I only want the
Yeah,
facts to
please.
properly come out for a reason.
Please,
Yes.
please.
Now, what objections you have for this? He is asking transfer to the CBI.
I say, my lord, your lordship monitor the investigation. I say, my lord, we lordship seek for a daily, weekly investigation.
Lord, let that be done under CBI. That is our plea, because
As the proceedings continued in this deeply disturbing case, the court examined the circumstances surrounding the death of a practicing advocate who allegedly died by suicide after facing sustained harassment during an investigation. The bench reviewed an application submitted by the deceased before her death, detailing the pressure and treatment she claimed to have endured. Counsel also raised serious allegation that she was subjected to humiliating treatment at a police office under the guise of inspection. Despite these allegations, the court noted that the advocate had continued cooperating with the investigation in compliance with the earlier judicial directions. During the hearing, Justice M. Nagaprasanna sought clarification on several key issues, including allegations that the deceased was running a business while practicing law and claims that a senior police officer had demanded a bribe to settle the matter. Serious concerns were also raised regarding the conduct of the investigating officers, with allegations of intimidation and procedural irregularities. At the same time, the prosecution maintained that it possessed substantial evidence, including statements from multiple witnesses.